Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am very excited because today I'm going to show you guys how to go from this to this. So as you guys can tell, I am actually wearing the INH pony right now. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this look, and it is super easy. So if you guys haven't heard of INH, it stands for insert name here, and they have so many hair products, but their whole brand is basically synthetic hair that you can apply. They have extensions, clip-ins, ponies. They have so many colors as well. So before we get into the video, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sylvia. I do cruelty-free videos, hauls, lifestyle videos here on this channel. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So when you order from the website, the ponies come in a big, it's like a carton envelope. I really like the packaging and what they use. So they wanted me to try out the ponies, and then they come with a little pouch. So this is the pouch and it comes inside. Really like the packaging, and it comes with hooks, and I like that it's see-through because then that way you can see which one you're grabbing. One right here just in case you store it differently, and then it has a zipper, so they put the pony in here, and it comes really well packaged with like one of these hair nets. So in here there's like a little pouch, and inside there's more information in here, and it comes with tips as well. It came with an extra hair piece just in case the one that it comes with messes up or anything like that. You can replace it with this one, or you can definitely use this for other things. So this one that I'm wearing is called the MIYA, and it is in the shade black brown. They have a really good way in color matching. When I talked to the rep online, I sent her a picture in daylight. She color matched me really well, so they do a really good job. Also, it does come with this little scrunchie on the inside, and it says INH right here. It is so pretty. So the other one that they sent me is called SHAYLA, and it's basically the same length. They're both 26 inches. So it comes down all the way right here. The only difference is that this one kind of has like curly wavy hair. The quality, it's really good. Definitely does not look synthetic, so it actually does feel like real hair. Another thing about the MIYA pony is that it comes with texturized Yaki Perm for added volume. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell here like on the camera, but there's like little tiny zigzags, and that basically just gives it more volume, and it definitely has a lot of volume. Like, I do not need more volume than this. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the application and show you guys how to apply it. So when you take out the pony, it looks like this, and you want to hold it at the top, and you're gonna see these little hooks. If you're gonna do a high pony, you want to make sure it's really tight. I used 2 hair bands, and I will link everything that I used in the description box below. So then you put your fingers underneath the hooks and apply them between the hair tie and your hair, and make sure you put them really deep in, as deep as you can. And the hair has Velcro, so you want to stick the Velcro around in the back, and then you're gonna grab the hair piece. And you can tell which one is the hairpiece, and you want to just make sure it's really secure at the top with the Velcro, and it's really stuck together before you wrap the hairpiece around the pony. So right here, I'm just going to be wrapping it around. And then once you're not able to wrap it all the way around, whatever's left over, you want to use hairpins to secure the pony. So the first one I use to secure the little hairpiece that's left over in the back, and then I use extra hairpins to just place around the pony just to make sure that it is secure and it does not move. Once I'm done, I make sure the little hooks are placed right into the hair, and I press all around just to make sure everything is good and tight. And then I grab a little bit of hairspray and a brush like this, and I just spray it around the hair just to get any flyaways, and then I spray some of it on the brush to get my little baby hairs in the back. And then on the final step, I just get the baby hairs that are in the front with the brush and hairspray, and I just press down with my finger and I brush the hairs back just to create like a little wave, and I feel like this kind of brings the whole look together. And this is the final look with the MIYA pony. I'm gonna go ahead and move on and show you guys the SHAYLA pony. So the SHAYLA pony looks like this, and then I just follow the same steps. It does come also with the little hooks that I place onto my pony, and just make sure that it is secure and wrap it around and stick it to the Velcro, and then get the hairpiece and wrap it around the pony and then secure it with the pins. And this is how the SHAYLA pony looks, and I think it looks really, really good. So some of you guys know that I've been trying to grow out my hair, and it's still not in the length that I want it to be. So I really like that I can just use the pony and apply it. Also, when I want to just pick up my hair and do a simple hairstyle, for example, today my hair was very, very oily and I didn't want to wash it, so apply the MIYA pony, and it just makes it look really nice. It doesn't even make it seem like I need to wash my hair. This is a lot of hair, so you're gonna feel a little bit of weight, but after a while you kind of get used to it. I will not try to do this every single day because yes, it does damage your hair putting it up in a pony so many times. So that's a little hair tip for you guys. So if you guys are interested in purchasing any of the ponies, you guys can use my code SilviaMBeauty for 15% off at checkout. They also have Afterpay, but it's not called Afterpay. The ponies help a lot with thin hair as well. So if you have thin hair, this is a great way to add volume and length. Ponies are $54, but I definitely think that they are really good quality, so definitely check them out. So I don't make any money from the discount code, but I really wanted to provide a discount code for my subscribers and my viewers. Really happy I was able to get that for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.